To fix a Dyson vacuum that smells, it's essential to understand the possible causes of the issue. One reason could be that the vacuum filters are overheating, which may occur due to excessive or prolonged use, resulting in a burning smell. To address this, it's recommended to let the appliance cool down for at least 30 minutes after use before using it again. Another possible cause is a dirty unit tank, which can happen when multiple items are stuck in the vacuum for an extended period, leading to moisture buildup and a musty smell. To resolve this, start by emptying the tank of any solid dirt. Then wipe off any dirt stuck on the bin sides using a dry paper towel. Next, apply a water and vinegar solution to another paper towel and use it to wipe the tank's interior. After doing so, ensure the tank is completely dry before reassembling it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Dyson vacuum and eliminate any unpleasant smells.